Hey guys, welcome back. We're finishing up Thinking About You. This is going to be our third video for the third part of this piece, and we're going to finish it starting from measures 20 all the way to the end. So I'm going to play for you both hands. See if you guys can play along. If not, follow along. Ready? 1, 2, ready, and... And that is the ending of Thinking About You. It's a nice piece. I hope you guys heard some familiar melodies that we've played on the first page, because everything that we did on the first page, starting from measure 5, is the same from where I started, from measure 20 all the way to the end. It's the exact same. Now, in one point, we have to move up an octave higher, and that comes up starting on measure 24. We got that 8VA symbol, which means to play one octave higher with both hands. Now that little dash mark indicates where you need to play and for how long until it ends. Until it ends on measure 30 right here. Then we jump back down to our regular position. So the first 4 measures from 20 to 24 are the exact same from measure 5 on the first page right here. So you already know that little riff. It's the same thing from the beginning. Now right here is when we switch. So I want you guys to practice this. Start from measure 23. Practice going up 1 octave. All of this is the same as the first page. Again, we're just playing it an octave higher. And we jump back to our regular position. Now, the key is practicing going from 1 octave to the next octave slowly. Practice that slowly. And then eventually pick up the tempo. And it doesn't have to be that fast. Just get used to that motion going from 1 octave to the next, back to where we started. And lastly, 8VB. What does that mean, guys? 1 octave below. So this C very end is written right here, which is the 3rd C up from the bottom. But since we have the 8VB, we have to play it one octave below. So it'll end right here. So the last 2 measures we have, and we end it right there with the 8VB. Alright, so remember in the previous videos I mentioned action, reaction. Apply that to here. Be careful with the leap, with the 8VA. where to go and when to come back again. Look at the dashed line, it tells you. And there's one spot, the rhythm. Be careful with the rhythm on measure 32, where we have this little so you have a rest, and the left hand's playing B flat G. So when you put that together, alright, so I'm gonna play that left hand part. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Now the right hand. So use the finger numbers right there. It says finger number 5. So keep that 5 on G. And you're going to play G by itself, F and G together, 4 and 5, 3 and 5, E and G, and then 2, 5, 2 and G, and then we end it with C. Now all together with the correct rhythm sounds like this. Rest, rest, 2 and 3, 4 and. Let me do that one again. Ready? Rest, 2 and 3, 4 and. That always gets everyone, so be careful with that little rhythm right there, okay? Alright guys, practice left hand, right hand, both hands together. See if you can get all 3 parts together, link them up, and remember, practice them slowly. Alright, you guys stay safe. We'll see you next time.